Welcome to my studio. You'll see in this studio that I love antiques, so you'll see a lot of those in here. There's our antique drafting table, and this is a bookshelf that I've had for many years. It holds all my papers, well, not all of them. Here's an antique drafting table that I got from my father-in-law from his business where he had it for years and years. Down here is where I store my washi tape by color. I put them on ribbons. Over here you'll also see this is where I do most of my watercolor painting, unless I'm upstairs sitting in front of the TV. And above it is a cabinet where I store some of my junk journals. I'm a junk journaler and I write every day. Here is where I do my sewing. There's another antique lawyer's cabinet, and up above it you'll see some art and the entrance to my laundry room. Here's an important feature of my studio, my Bev cabinet. I love to have cold drinks when I'm in the studio. Here's some more paintings, and I love this antique lawyer's bookcase. It's great because it has great drawers down below and up above where I store watercolor paper and things like that. I just love this piece of antique furniture. My husband got it for me somewhere. Here's another view of going into the studio. A great bookshelf that I've had for a long time. It has adjustable shelves so I can put all my stuff up there. I love to store things in the antique green jars that you can get almost anywhere. Here's another wonderful piece. It's a dentist cabinet, and it's just got drawers galore. It's where I can put all of my paints, and at least that's what I've got in there. The drawers below have all my paints, my acrylics and watercolor paint. It's a great storage chest. I just love this piece. Here's another piece I got years ago, and it's nothing but drawers, and I think it was in an something industrial because it was real dirty, but I just loved it like it is and store all my things in there. As you can see, I stick stuff anywhere it can be stuck because some people would call me a hoarder. I don't know. Here's some of my artwork in my laundry room. It's a place where I had a free wall, so that's where it got put. And here on the back wall is a great storage unit where I have a lot of paper, decorative paper, scrapbook paper, and that kind of thing. And also a place where I store, another bookshelf where I store paints and you name it. That's my pigment for watercolors. Also, here's some other paintings around the studio. I just love my studio and the space that I have here. It's messy, but it's mine, and I love being here. It's just a comfortable place and one of my favorite rooms in the house. I always enjoy when I get to go down there and spend time. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video that I've made for you, and I hope to see you around sometime. God bless you.